and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
We're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, Brad, we're going to talk about seven yoga poses, stretches that are great for your back, in our opinion. Now, we already did a video. If you haven't seen it already, I'm sure all the yoga people are just completely miffed at us and upset with us. And we're sorry about that, yoga world, but we had to give our opinion from a scientific standpoint.
Sure.
We are not yoga people. We are therapists and we are clinicians. So based upon what we've seen in our clinic and based on what we see in research, we are giving our opinion of what we think are bad yoga poses, and we are giving our opinion of what we think are good yoga poses for the back.
Right. And of course, there's always situations where it varies from person to person, but this is for the general
public, what we believe. So by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Join us on our social media platforms. We got Instagram, we got Facebook, we got Twitter, we got our website. You're definitely going to want to join us on Facebook, because over the next year, every Sunday, we're going to do a Sunday giveaway.
Sunday giveaway.
And we're giving away nice stuff like mattresses, like the Sleep Ovation mattress. We're going to give away one a month. So, I mean, that's a big deal, big stuff.
That's over $1,000 value.
That's right. It's a great mattress. So, before we start, I do want to mention this East Hills yoga mat. I just think they really have good products for a good price.
Right, I agree.
And this mat right here was several $100s. This mat here is $45.99, but it's an inch thick. This is what my wife actually said. She wants this mat because she's going to use it by our standing table, and she just wants to. It's just so nice and cushiony.
Oh, sure.
So she can work at her desk and stand up and have nice.
But
cushion.
then you should put one there by the kitchen. You know, if she's doing
She did
dishes
say
or
that.
cooking.
She said that.
You could have them all over the house.
She said she was going to put it in front of the sink. But what's nice about, like, if you're doing stretches, it's really easy on the knees.
Yep.
When you get old like me, you really want to have that extra cushioning here. So.
You're not that old yet, Bob.
Oh, I'm
up
there.
You're getting there.
Yeah, I'm getting there. All
Yeah.
right. Since I'm down here, Brad, why don't I go ahead and do the first one here?
Are you still older than I am?
Yep, I'm 2 years older than you. And by the way, this is available down in our products below. We put it on our Amazon favorites.
Yeah, look below the video, see more, click on there. Okay, Bob, now let's show some yoga things we really like.
Yeah, so first is the bridge pose, and this is good for the back. It's just good, easy way to start warming up even.
Right.
And it's just a nice, you're working on the core, you're getting a little bit of butt strength, a little glutes.
Those glutes.
Yeah, and a hamstring, which attach into the back,
right,
and help give it a little bit of support. So
now Bob's got his head up so he can talk.
Yeah, well, I got my mic there.
Yeah, the mic gets in the way.
Normally I want.
Relax the neck on this one.
But am I nice and straight, Brad?
Yeah, Bob, you're looking nice and straight. That's what we like to have. That
nice,
good
straight pose.
You bet.
Now we'll go right to the cow pose. Now, I don't know why this does not look like a cow to me. But
well, there's always been controversy on the cat and the cow and the camel and all those things. But one way or another, show
for
them
your
the pose.
back, it's always great to start getting mobility in there. I think these are great to do the cow pose and go right into the cat pose.
Yep.
I think it's just a great stretch.
You're getting that full range of motion throughout the thoracic and the lumbar spine.
You're getting, and sometimes I even emphasize that you put your head down, you do the cow pose, and your head up when you do the cat pose. And you can... This is great for the little facet joints or facet joints of the back and the neck, and gets them moving. So, and by the way, you yoga people, you seem to really like animals, because we got cows and cats, and now we got lots of puppies and dogs.
Well, Bob, it helps you relax when you think of those things.
That's right. I feel relaxed.
If you put the lizard stretch, what would now people are going to think we're making fun of them.
Good point. So we're going to do the extended puppy pose. I like this one, Brad. This is actually a mulligan one that he likes to do.
Sure, yeah.
He actually has you bring the legs out a little bit farther, a little past shoulder, and even set your butt back down a little bit. And this is just a great stretch to help extend the spine even a little bit.
He was mentioned, Brian Mulligan. He's a PT that
physical therapist
in the therapy world. He's
from
well
New Zealand,
known around the world, and he's written books and has a whole system developed around his philosophy and training.
Yep, exactly. So the next one is so we're going to stick with the dog. This is probably my favorite one, Brad. It's the upward facing dog. This one's great for most backs, probably 80%. It's not good for Brad's spondylolisthesis.
Spondylolisthesis is how I like to pronounce it.
And it's not good for spinal stenosis either.
Yeah.
But you can go ahead. Again, this is called the upward facing dog. And you can lift up here and you can actually, I see where they even lift the body up like this, Brad.
Okay.
So, and they're starting to really extend it out.
Look at this. Now, for the majority of the people at 58 years old, there aren't a lot of people that have this much range of motion in their back. That's really nice to see.
Well, that's because I've been doing this stretch. This is one of the stretches I do. And so you can see it pays off.
Right.
You know, I actually, this is probably the only one that I look like I actually know what I'm doing, right? So the next one, Brad, we're going to go back to the puppy dog. We're going to bring the chair over. So I like this one, especially if you're a little bit shorter.
Sure.
I'm a little bit tall for this. But you're going to actually stretch out like this. Again, the back is supported, so that you're taking the weight off it because I'm supporting with my arms.
And look, we've got a nice straight back here.
Am I straight or not?
Well, yeah, you could arch the lumbar spine a little bit if you can, Bob. There you go.
I think I'm about it. Yeah. And usually I think they keep their legs straight while they're doing this, Brad,
Sure.
but I'm so tall.
And typically, yoga people are more flexible than you
Right,
or I.
right.
And again, did we mention this? I'm not doing these because some of these for my back, I don't like to stretch it that much. I have my own special stretches for spondylolisthesis.
And he's lazy. I mean, let's be honest.
I'll give you more than you deserve.
I'll give you lazy. Okay, next one, the final one, Brad, number 7, is called the chair. And I like this one because it's really functional. It's trying to teach you the proper way to lift.
Right.
So you're going to bring your arms up like this, and then I'm bringing my butt down like this, and I'm keeping my back straight and the arms straight.
We got the Booyah stick here to really help display that. Very nice. And you're working those quadriceps.
You're working the quads
arch
and the
in the
glutes.
back.
Yep.
How long can you stand like that, Bob?
Not that long, Brad.
Let's see if we can get a minute. How long? We got 15 seconds.
Now, when you go ahead and work this, now you're stretching the back in the right position, but you're also preparing for when you're going to lift correctly.
Helps that muscle memory for good habits.
Yeah, I just love all these stretches. I think they're really great. They're winners.
Yep.
And
A+.
Maybe it'll put us back in the good graces of the yoga people. Maybe they'll accept us back into the community.
I doubt it.
I doubt it too. Thanks for watching.